Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of my used vehicle pick of the week, the 2012 Chevy Equinox. Now, this specific Equinox is a front-wheel drive LTZ model that has never been reported in any accidents. It actually has 38,400 miles on it, which is actually 55,500 miles below market average. As you can see, it does come with our back tinted windows and 17-inch aluminum rims. Now, when we get inside this vehicle, you can see that we do have a Pioneer speaker system with jet black leather interior with a red lining. It does have a fairly large back seat with a sunroof, heated seating, a Chevy MyLink radio, and your standard cruise control. This is Johnny at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.